Hi, I'm Lori with Team Gabriel.
I'm Kayla.
And I'm John Yang.
And today we're at 44 Chapman Chase. We're here in Windsor, Connecticut at the hamlet of Chapman Chase. It is an awesome development. There's 70 units here. This is a single self-detached home. It's a ranch, which everybody's looking for. It has a 2-car garage, a master suite, and so much more to offer. And we're gonna walk around and tell you what it has.
Welcome home. One of my favorite parts of this house is this covered front porch. It has recessed lighting. In this neighborhood, a lot of people walk around with their pets or with their friends, so you can always sit on their front porch and watch your friends walk by and say hi to your neighbors.
So can you imagine living in this home? This is like the best place to entertain. I love that you have your dining room, living room, kitchen all together. I think it's awesome. These are 4-inch hardwood floors throughout all the main living space and in your mudroom and foyer. So that's a nice feature. Let's talk about the kitchen. Wouldn't this be the best place to drink wine, take all your hors d'oeuvres and put them out here? So one of the special features around this home is they have recessed lighting throughout the home. Also, pendant lighting above your island and under cabinet lighting, which really lights up the home.
Craftsman styled windows.
Tilt-in windows for easy washing.
High ceilings.
Nice high dramatic ceilings. I love them. Aren't they awesome?
Gas fireplace.
Gas heating.
And central air.
One of the highlights of this house is this beautiful covered back porch. It has a ceiling fan and a ceiling light. You can come home after work and enjoy this beautiful covered porch.
2 bedrooms.
Master suite. You also have a walk-in closet. You have racks. You can put your shoes. And when you want to have a cabinet or anything, you can add it in here.
In the primary suite, you have the bathroom. It's a nice large vanity, and the tiles are modern 12x24 tiles. There's 2 full baths at this house. And it has a walk-in laundry room on the first floor.
Hold it like this, and then open it back when you're ready.
The fees are only $225 a month, which covers all of your landscaping, all of your mowing, all of your leaves, all of your snow removal. You don't have to worry about doing any of the maintenance. This is one of the quietest complexes, and you wouldn't imagine it to be because it's so close to the airport. You'd think you'd be hearing all kinds of air traffic and such, and it's really, really quiet. You can have pets. That's a nice thing too. Everybody wants their fur babies. So, yes. I know we get these. Those nice. So for the low fees, somebody's taking care of all of your grounds, and I love it. So this is a really popular place. So if you'd like more information about this property, give us a call at 860-618-6233 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. We hope to see you.
We hope to see you.